Welcome to EasyLearn. In this video, we are going to see the design of up-down counter. Here the question is, design a synchronous three-bit up-down counter. The counter should count up when up/down control input is 1 and count down when the control input is 0. So first we need to go for the state diagram. So here it's a 3-bit counter, therefore here the values are, first one is 0 0 0 and its next state is 0 0 1, next one 0 1 0, next one 0 1 1, next one 1 0 0, next one 1 0 1, next one 1 1 0, next one 1 1 1. So from the question, from the present state, if the input is 1 means it will up count. So from 0 0 0 it will up count to next value 0 0 1 for the control input 1. So here the control input, consider it as x. Likewise from 0 0, if the control input is 0 means which down counts to the previous value. Here the previous value is 1 1 1. Likewise from 0 0 1, if the control input is 1 means which up count, so here which reaches the value 0 1 0. Likewise if the input is 0 means which down counts to previous value. So likewise here up count, here it's down count for 0. Likewise up count for 1, down count for 0. From here up count for 1, down count for 0. It's up count for 1, down count for 0. Likewise up count for 1, down count for 0, up count for 1, down count for 0. Here they have not mentioned any flip-flop, therefore here better we can go for D flip-flop. So excitation table for D flip-flop. Here first we are having present state Qn and next state Qn plus 1 and the flip-flop input it's D. Here it's 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 for D flip-flop. Here D value is equal to its next state value, therefore 0, here it's 1, here it's 0, here it's 1. Then we need to go for the state table. So in the state table, first we will have the present state, then followed by next state. Then we will have the flip-flop input. Here totally 3 digits, therefore we need to go for 3 variables A, B and C. Therefore here the next state which depends on the input X. Therefore here the input X, there are 2 possibilities. One is X is equal to 0, another one is X is equal to 1. Therefore here the next states are, for X is equal to 0, A n plus 1, B n plus 1 and C n plus 1. Likewise for X is equal to 1 also, here A n plus 1, B n plus 1, C n plus 1. Likewise the flip-flop inputs also which depends on the input. Therefore here X is equal to 0 and X is equal to 1. For X is equal to 0, here it's DA, DB, DC. Likewise for X is equal to 1, DA, DB and DC. Okay, so when X is equal to 0, it's perform down count. When X is equal to 1, it perform up count. Present state values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So from the state diagram, from the present state 0, 0, if the input is 0 means which move to the state 1, 1, 1. So here it's 1, 1, 1. Likewise from the present state 0, 0, if the input is 1 means which move to the state 0, 0, 1. So here it's 0, 0, 1. Likewise from the present state 0, 0, 1, if the input is 0 means which move to the state 0, 0, 0. If the input is 1 means 0, 1, 0. So from here, if the present state input is 0 means it's moved to the state 0, 0, 0. If the input is 1 means which move to the next state 0, 1, 0. Likewise, we can go for the remaining values. So from here, its next state is 0, 0, 1. Here it's 0, 1, 1. From here its previous value is 0, 1, 0. Its next value is 1, 0, 0. From here it is 0, 1, 1 and its next value is 1, 0, 1. From 1, 0, 1 its previous value is 1, 0, 0. Its next value is 1, 0. Okay, it's similar to starting with 0, 0, 1, then 2, it's 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 1, 1, 0. After 7 it reset to 0, 0, 0 initial state. Likewise here for the flip-flop input, the D flip-flop, here its D value will be equal to its next state. For DA with X is equal to 0, its next state is AN plus 1 with X is equal to 0. Therefore here we will have 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. For DB it's Bn plus 1. Therefore 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. For DC at X is equal to 0, here Cn plus 1. Therefore 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Likewise for dA at x is equal to 1, which is equal to an plus 1 at x is equal to 1. Therefore here it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Likewise dB, it's 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. For DC, it's Cn plus 1. Here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the respective value for dA, dB and DC values for both x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. The table, next what we need to do is, we need to go for including the present state along with input. Okay, therefore here we need to go for an additional one column. In that column we need to consider input x. In that we need to go for maximum of 16 combination. Okay, so that will be a time consuming one. Therefore here I am directly writing the value in the K-map. Here we are having 3 present states as well as 1 input. Therefore we need to go for a 4 variable K-map. So for dA, here it's a 4 variable K-map. Here the present states are A, B, C and the input X. Therefore here it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. In the state table, here we are having both dA values for x is equal to 0 as well as x is equal to 1. Okay, so if you consider the value present state, here 0, 0, 0 followed by x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, if you are considering the same in the K-map means, here present state A, B, okay, 0, 0 and present state C is 0 followed by here in this column x is equal to 0, in this column x is equal to 1. Okay, so using that we can write the value directly instead of going for another one table. So just consider here we are having dA is equal to 1, respective present state is 0, 0, 0 and input 0. Therefore in the K-map, here the present state 0, 0, 0 and input 0. Here we need to make it as 1. Likewise, here we are having 1. Respective input is 1, 0, 1 followed by this 0. Therefore, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here its value is 1. Likewise, here we are having 1. Respective input is 1, 1, 0 and input 0. 1, 1, 0, we are having 1. Likewise, here we are having 1. Respective input is 1, 1, 1 and input 0. Therefore, 1, 1, 1 and input 0. Here we are having the value 1. Likewise, for x is equal to 1, here we are having 1. Respective input is 0, 1, 1 and input 1. Okay, therefore 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1, 1 is 0, 1, 1, 1. So here we need to make it as 1. Likewise, here we are having 1. Respective input is 1, 0, 0 and input 1. So 1, 0, 0 and input 1. So here we need to make it as 1. Likewise, here we are having 1. Respective input is 1, 0, 1 and input 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Here we need to make it as 1. Likewise, here we are having 1, which means that 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. Here we need to make it as 1. That's all. Now we can go for grouping. So to find dA, here we can make it as a pair. Here the left side its value is A, B. Between these two, C is common and its value is 0. Therefore, C bar plus, here we can go for a pair, and here the value is left side, it's 1 0. Therefore, A, B bar. Between these two, X is common and its value is 1. Therefore, X plus, here we can go for a pair, and here the value is left side, here it's A value is common and its value is 1. Therefore, A, here it's C X bar. Then here we are having a 1 alone, we need to group it, and here the value is, its left side 0 1. 0 1 means A bar B, and column is here it's C X. Then we are having another one term, you can make it as single group, and here the value is plus A bar B bar. So A bar B bar, in the column wise here it's C bar X bar. So this is the algebraic expression for dA. Then for dB, A B C X 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here for dB, here we are having 1. Respective present state is 0 0 0 and input 0. Therefore 0 0 0 0. Therefore here we are having 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective present state is 0 0 1 and input 0. So 0 1 1 0, here we are having 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective input and present state combinations are 1 0 0 0. So here we are having 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective present state and input is 1 1 1 0. So 1 1 1 0. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective input is 0 0 1 1. So 0 0 1 1, we need to make it as 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective input is 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Here we need to make it as 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective input is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Likewise here we are having 1. Respective input is 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. So here we can make it as 1, and here the value dB is equal to, here we can make it as a pair, and here the value is left side, it's B is common and its value 1 B, and here it's C bar X plus, and also we can make it as a pair, and here the value is left side it's B, here it's C X bar plus, here we can make it as a pair because both sides are adjacent, and here the value is B is common, therefore B bar, and here C bar X bar plus, here we can make it as a pair, and here the value is, let's say it's B bar, and here between these two C X. Okay, so this expression we can simplify it further. So here between these two, if you take B as common outside, means here which is equivalent to C bar X plus C X bar. Likewise if you take B bar outside, means B bar into C bar X bar plus C X. Therefore here the answer is B into C XOR X plus B bar into, here it's equivalent to C XNOR X. Okay, therefore here again we can write it as C XOR X the whole bar. Therefore, which is of the form B C XOR X plus B bar C XOR X the whole bar. So here we can write again this one as, consider, let some Z is equal to C XOR X. Therefore here the value is equal to B Z plus B bar Z bar, again which is of the form XNOR operation. Therefore B XOR Z whole bar. So here Z is replaced by C XOR Z. Therefore B XOR C XOR X, B XOR C XOR X the whole bar. Likewise for DC, A B C X 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So from the state table we are having 1 for the input combination 0 0 0, then for 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, then 1 0 0 0, then for 1 1 0 0, likewise 0 0 0 1 we are having 1, likewise 0 1 0 1, likewise 1 0 0 1 we are having 1, likewise 1 1 0 1 we are having 1. Therefore here we can group it. Here the value D C is equal to, here left side it's 0 1 change, both A and B value. Here C value is same and its value 0, therefore C bar. Now we can go for the logical diagram. So here 3 flip-flops. So here it's A, B and C. Both are D flip-flop, therefore DA, DB and DC. And here the outputs are A bar, B bar, C and C bar. Here it's synchronous circuit, therefore which connected with a common clock signal. And here the input DA is, first one here is the inputs are, one is A, another one input is B, another one input is from C bar, then second gate, here the inputs are A, so already we are having A. Then B bar, so here we are having B bar. It's B bar and the input X. Next gate is AND. Here the inputs are A, another one is C, here we are having C, see another one input is X bar. For here X, we are connecting it to a NOT gate. The next one is another one AND gate with the inputs A bar. So here we are having A, therefore here we are having A bar, that one we can fed back, we can connect it here. Then B, already we are having B here, so it's B. Then we are having C, so C is here. Then X. Then for the last one, which need the terms, one is A bar, so here we are having A bar. Then B bar, here we are having the next one is C bar, so C bar, here we are having, then followed by X bar. And finally we are having an OR operation, one of the input, second one, third one, fourth one, and last one. Then for DB, it's XNOR operation, therefore here we are having an XNOR gate which is connected to DB. Here the inputs are B, so B, here we are having B. Then we are having C, so here we are having C. Another one input is X. Okay, so this is for DB, and DC is equal to C bar. So here we are having C bar. So that C bar directly we can connect it to DC, and here we are getting the output A, B, and C. So this is the logic diagram for up-down counter.